In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get Shadowwrath in Stickwar 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Getting and using Shadowwrath is extremely simple. All that you have to do is go over to your decks, and in here, switch over to the Units tab. Shadowwrath is going to be available here on the second row. So it is going to be this icon with a katana and a masked unit. So tap on him and you will be able to use Shadowwrath when you slot him into your team. So tap and hold and then drag him into any of the slots available on your deck. Once you have Shadowwrath appearing over here at the top, it means that you are ready to use him on this deck. So he has the tags Order and Light. You can see the statistics here. So 250 HP, 19 seconds cooldown, and you can see all of the other details by tapping on this little information icon. A medium health light melee unit of the Order Empire uses speed and agility to kill foes, powerful against light units. So he can parry incoming damage, such as a stun. He has a passive called Fixate, which consecutive attacks on a target will stack 5 damage up to a maximum of 3 stacks, and he has quite a little bit of lore. So, founded by Princess Shade, also known as Shadow. Once you have him available here in your deck, you are good to go and ready to use him. You can find other units as well, and he is going to be available here on the second row. You can scroll down to see all of them. At the bottom, you will find the generals, which you should also slot in your team. So all that you have to do is grab Shadowwrath from this menu and have him equipped. You might be able to find skins for Shadowwrath if you go over here to the Customize option, browse through all of the units, and if you see Shadowwrath available on this list, you can possibly equip skins if he has any available. So that's all that you have to do. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.